Good morning. We will pay attention to trial balances today. In the accounting activities of an enterprise, trial balances have a very important role. Apart from the fact that the trial balance tests the application of the double entry principle to ensure that you completed a double entry for every transaction, it is very important to note that the name of the trial balance. So at the end of each month, we will draw up a trial balance to determine whether all the entries in that specific month was double entries. If the trial balance doesn't balance, it means that you have to go and look for the mistake, and you have to correct mistakes at the end of each month before you carry on with your books for the following month. At the end of the financial year, you will draw up this normal trial balance after you completed all the entries in the subsidiary journals and posted it to the ledger. But then we call this trial balance a pre-adjustment trial balance. That means before adjustments were made. So we will draw up this trial balance. It looks exactly the same as the trial balance that we've done for the previous 11 months. But at the end of the year, we call it the pre-adjustment trial balance to indicate that we still have to do the adjustments at the end of the accounting period. Then we will do corrections of errors. We will do any additional entries that were not completed in time. So we will prepare all the adjustments that's necessary in a specific exercise. And after we completed all those adjustments, we will do a post-adjustment trial balance. Post means after the adjustments were done. And that means now we've taken all the adjustments into account as well. And when we draw up this post-adjustment trial balance, we want to ensure that the debit and credit totals are still the same, so that we know that for every adjustment we did a debit entry and a credit entry. Then we will do closing transfers, and we will take all the nominal accounts to our trading profit and loss account, and we will transfer the drawings to the capital account. And after we've done all these closing transfers, we will draw up a post-closing trial balance. So that means a trial balance after the accounts were closed. In this post-closing trial balance, you will only have balance sheet accounts because all the nominal accounts were closed and transferred to the trading profit and loss account. So you will have no nominal accounts. The result of the final accounts, so that is the profit or the loss that you made in your profit and loss account, is transferred by closing transfer to the capital account. The drawings account was transferred to the capital account. So the only accounts that can be in this post-closing trial balance is your equity account capital. No drawings because it was closed off to capital. All your assets and all your liabilities. No nominal accounts because they were all closed and taken to the profit and loss account. So it's very important to pay attention to the name of the trial balances and know what each one of these names mean, because in a question or in a test, they can either give you the pre-adjustment trial balance or the post-adjustment trial balance or even the post-closing trial balance. If they give you the post-adjustment trial balance, then it means all the adjustments were already completed. And you must realize that if you want to draw up, say, the note for property, plant and equipment, that you will have to work backwards to see what was the opening balances, because in the post-adjustment trial balance, the adjustments were already completed. If they give you the pre-adjustment trial balance, it means that you still have to do the adjustments. So I will work forward to see what will the results in my ledger accounts be after I've done the adjustments.